Hello, all. I just want to wish you a happy hump day. And I want you to know, yes, you, how amazing you are. I want you to know that I see how hard you're working, how phenomenal your investment is in everything you do, honestly, how hard you work for your children, your family, your relationship, and how hard you work on the job. I want to acknowledge the amazing engagement that you make. I know you've probably always been rock star. I am well aware that you've always been very driven and you've worked hard and you have done a lot and you've achieved a lot. And I think that maybe you don't get quite the recognition you deserve. I I know that sometimes you've gotten those promotions and, the new job, but it seems like the new boss doesn't appreciate you for who you actually are. And certainly those partners don't ever seem to really acknowledge how much you do for them in relationship. Even your kids, might not realize how lucky they are to have you in their lives because you do a lot. And that's just what we see on the surface. I want to acknowledge how challenging it is to do as much as you do. I want to recognize how many times you are at home exhausted and depleted and lonely and maybe even sad and frustrated and wondering when it's going to be your turn, when your ship's going to come in. And I just want to say, I see you. I feel you. I hear you. And it's your turn. This is your turn now. It's okay for you to ask for what you need. Frankly, it might be okay for you to demand what you need. And it really is okay for you to put yourself first now. It really is. You don't do it very much. I'm not even sure that's been your MO ever. So now it is. Now it's time. Now it's time to put yourself first. Now it's time to do for yourself and to allow others to do for yourself. Imagine what it would be like if others treated you the way you treat others. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? Gosh, you'd have an amazing life then if others treated you like you treat them. Yeah. So, what is it you have to do in order to achieve that? What is it that you need to do to start saying yes to yourself? Put it in the comments. Because my wisdom for this Wednesday is it's time to put yourself first, especially if you're an old soul woman. It's time. So, looking forward to seeing what you have to say and seeing what fills up the comments. This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and this is Wisdom Wednesdays.